Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I share tips and tricks for living well with diabetes. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some drinks that are safe and healthy for people with diabetes. Drinks are often overlooked when it comes to managing blood sugar levels, but they can have a big impact on your health and well-being. Some drinks can spike your blood sugar, dehydrate you, or add extra calories and carbs to your diet. That's why it's important to choose drinks that are low in sugar, carbs, and calories, but high in hydration and nutrition. So if you want to learn more about what you can drink, besides water, when you have diabetes, keep watching. As you probably know, diabetes is a condition that affects how your body processes glucose, or sugar, in your blood. If you have diabetes, you need to be careful about what you drink, especially when it comes to sugary drinks, such as soda, juice, sports drinks, energy drinks, and sweetened coffee or tea. These drinks can raise your blood sugar levels too high, which can lead to serious complications, such as nerve damage, kidney damage, heart disease, and vision loss. That's why the American Diabetes Association recommends avoiding drinks with added sugars and limiting drinks with natural sugars, such as fruit juice. But that doesn't mean you have to stick to plain water all the time. There are many other drinks that are delicious and beneficial for people with diabetes. These drinks can help you stay hydrated, control your blood sugar, and provide you with other nutrients that support your overall health and well-being. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 types of drinks that are diabetic-friendly and give you some examples and recipes for each one. These drinks are sparkling water. Sparkling water is a great alternative to soda, as it has the same fizz and flavor, but without the sugar, carbs, and calories. Sparkling water is also hydrating and refreshing, and can help you feel full and satisfied. You can choose from many different flavors and varieties of sparkling water, such as La Croix, or you can make your own by adding some fresh fruit, herbs, or a splash of juice to plain carbonated water. Some of my favorite combinations are lemon and mint, strawberry and basil, and grapefruit and rosemary. Coffee. Coffee is a popular drink that can give you a boost of energy and antioxidants. Coffee can also lower your risk of type 2 diabetes, according to some studies. However, you have to be careful about how you drink your coffee, as adding sugar, cream, or flavored syrups can turn it into a high-calorie, high-carb drink. The best way to drink coffee is black, or with a small amount of low-fat milk or a non-dairy milk alternative, such as almond milk or soy milk. You can also use a zero-calorie sweetener, such as stevia or monk fruit, if you like your coffee sweet. If you want to spice up your coffee, you can add some cinnamon, nutmeg, or vanilla extract, which can enhance the flavor and have some health benefits as well. Tea. Tea is another drink that can be good for people with diabetes, as it contains antioxidants, polyphenols, and flavonoids, which can lower inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect against diabetes complications. You can choose from many types of tea, such as green, black, white, or oolong, or herbal teas, such as chamomile, ginger, or peppermint. You can drink tea hot or iced, and sweeten it with a zero-calorie sweetener if desired. You can also add some lemon, lime, or orange slices, or some fresh mint or basil leaves for some extra flavor and vitamin C. Smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to get some fruits and vegetables into your diet, as well as some protein and fiber, which can help you feel full and control your blood sugar. However, not all smoothies are created equal, and some can be high in sugar, carbs, and calories, especially if they are made with fruit juice, ice cream, or yogurt. The best way to make a smoothie is to use water, unsweetened almond milk, or soy milk as the base, and add some low-glycemic fruits, such as berries, apples, or pears, and some leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or lettuce. You can also add some protein powder, nuts, seeds, or nut butter for some extra protein and healthy fats. Some of my favorite smoothies are blueberry almond, apple cinnamon, and green goddess. So there you have it. 4 types of drinks that you can enjoy when you have diabetes. These drinks are not only tasty, but also healthy and easy to make. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know which drink you're going to try first, or if you have any other suggestions for diabetic-friendly drinks that you love. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos.